Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Relearning a mass airflow sensor without a scanner is a simple process that anyone can do at home. Your car's computer stores data about how much air enters the engine. When you replace the sensor, the computer must reset this memory to function correctly. First, park your vehicle on level ground. Turn off the engine and all electronics like the radio or air conditioning. Open the hood and locate the battery. Use a wrench to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Let the car sit for at least 15 minutes. This step drains the remaining power and clears the old fuel trim data. Reconnect the terminal and tighten it securely. Next, start the engine but do not touch the gas pedal. Let the car idle for 10 minutes. During this time, the computer monitors the new sensor and adjusts the fuel mix. After 10 minutes, turn on the air conditioning and the headlights. Let it idle for 5 more minutes under this load. This helps the computer understand how to manage the engine when it is working harder. Finally, take the car for a 10-minute test drive. Drive at various speeds on local roads and the highway. Use steady acceleration and come to complete stops. This allows the computer to map out the full range of the new sensor. Your car should now run much smoother with a steady idle. The check engine light should remain off as the system finishes its internal checks. This easy method saves you money and ensures your engine gets the exact right amount of fuel for peak performance every single time.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.